Hi, I'm Elle Cameron, and today I'm talking about Rawlins, reality, and repair for Compassionate Fridays. In Rawlins, Wyoming, behind the razor wire and sandstone walls of the Wyoming State Penitentiary, over 600 men live in confinement. It's the state's only maximum security prison, and it's facing a crisis. Staffing shortages stretch officers thin, mental health services are limited, educational and vocational programs are underfunded. And in March 2025, the Wyoming House passed $18 million amendment just to upgrade basic security systems, not to expand care, not to improve rehabilitation, just to keep the walls intact. The penitentiary is part of a system with a biennial budget of $262 million, but even with that funding, the cracks show. The director of the Wyoming Department of Corrections has called for more staff, better infrastructure, and deeper investment in human dignity. Inside, programming is sparse. Reentry support is limited, and for many, the path forward is unclear. The penitentiary offers vocational training and adult education, but only to those who qualify and only when staffing allows. Compassion means asking, what does justice look like in Rawlins? It means seeing not just the walls, but the people behind them. It means investing not just in security, but in healing. Today, we hold space for those inside the Wyoming State Penitentiary, for the staff who show up under the strain, for the families waiting on the outside, and for the possibility of repair, even in the hardest place. Hey, leave me a comment, reach out to me.